Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, I am going to be bringing you my updated Ethereum price prediction. I've talked about where I think Ethereum is going in October, but I want to give you some updates to that because there are some very important things happening on the Ethereum chart that I don't think you want to miss. So we're going to be covering all of that and more in today's video. I can't wait to dive into it. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We're one of the fastest growing channels for cryptocurrency technical analysis for a reason anyway. So without much further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Guys, there are several patterns out here on the Ethereum chart that you need to be aware of, but the one we're talking about today is this cup and handle formation. We've talked about this a little bit briefly, but I want to go over it again. Notice the fact that Ethereum here has a local high right over here around, it's actually the all-time high right around the 10th of May, and then we have a local high right over here just back on the 5th of September around $4,000. Then we have our downtrending level right here. I've shown you in previous videos why this expects that we will actually be rallying up towards at least $5,000. And I think that we will be getting up close to that by the end of November. But here's where I think we're going to be going in October. I personally think that we will be breaking bullish out of this cup and handle formation in the next 7 days, and we're going to be moving to the upside. And I want to talk about what those next 7 days look like. If we do what I think we're going to and be heading towards $4,000 by the end of October, then this is where it's going to start. Down here on the 1 hourly chart, Ethereum right now is sitting right under critical resistance. This downtrending level of resistance right here is where Ethereum is testing. And even down on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that it's currently in a small little symmetrical triangle pattern. In fact, you might even call it a bull flag or an ascending triangle pattern. The point is, it's flagging out. The market has double bottom down here, and it is on a rally. If we look at price targets, we can see that this little flag has a price target of $3,200. So if we do manage to break bullish just a little bit, then we're going to be moving far to the upside above this downtrending level of resistance. And that might not seem like a big deal, but here's why it actually is. Ethereum makes up right now roughly 18.5% market dominance. Bitcoin just a couple of minutes ago started trying to break above $44,000. The entire market right now looks like a little chick trying to break out of its egg and go start its life. Right now, cryptocurrency is on the precipice of a big breakout, and I think we might be about to see it happen on Ethereum. If it does, here's where you're going to want to be looking. On Ethereum, you guys know that we had a relatively funky but definitely accurate head and shoulders pattern that formed over the last month and a half or so. It has a shoulder line, which we can see right here. That shoulder line has support touches back on the 8th of August, the 18th of August, the 26th of August, and then the 13th of September. Well, also more recently, that same uptrending level of resistance, which I'll go ahead and switch to red so you can see it, has had a couple of tests, for example, on the 23rd of September and also here on the 26th. If Ethereum breaks bullish here, that is the next place it's going to go. The next level of resistance that we would be touching probably within the next 48 hours is $3,200. If we break $3,200, what we've effectively done is set a new higher high on the hourly chart and the 4 hourly chart. And there's an argument to be made that that could be the beginning of a longer-term uptrend. Looking at Lux Algo, we might even be able to get out and rally and start a strong buy signal out here on the daily chart. If we do manage to break up into this territory around 3,200 to 3,334, then we could see a buy signal on Lux Algo, and if we do see that, then the sky is the limit, and we'll probably be doing exactly what I think. There's one final thing I want to show you before we start drawing some conclusions, though. The 20 exponential moving average, as you can see right here, is sitting right above us. It's not very far above us at all. It's sitting at $3,100. That is a resistance level that we're going to want to watch out for, so make sure you're paying attention to that. One final thing, I'll give you a little bonus piece of TA. There is currently bullish MACD convergence happening, so there might be a bullish MACD cross in the next couple of days. The last time we had a bullish MACD cross, I will show you, was right back over here on the 31st of August. Before that, it was on the 21st of July. You can see what happened the last two times that there was a bullish MACD cross. There was a pretty large rally. Needless to say, if we do move to the upside another couple $100, then we're going to see a big break to the upside on the MACD, and within 7 days, we'll probably be up around $3,200 to $3,400, and then my price prediction of $4,000 by the end of October looks like it will be coming to pass. But I want to hear your thoughts on this in the comment section down below. Do you agree with me that we're going to see a $4,000 Ethereum by the end of October? And do you agree that we might see up to a $5,000 Ethereum by the end of November? I think we might, and I have good reasons to believe that we're going to be talking about in a weekend video, so make sure you stay tuned for that. That's all I got for you today. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Oh, I got a real good feeling.